Hello, good morning, namaskar. Today I am going to start a new topic, diseases of female without surgery. So how homeopathy helps female to get treatment or physician to treat female disorder without surgery in certain conditions. So it is the fact that average physician in this country or in this environment of new school of medical science are always in favor of operations or surgical interference in the disease, particular in case of female. Many cases are sent to the specialist to perform an operation. Nowadays, it is a hobby among the physicians to operate on female about all of ailments they have or complaints they have. They do not carry or they do not care or think about how can a female perform the duty of a wife and mother when she has been unsexed. It is not credit for any school of medical science or medicines that they cannot cure the most common ailments without operations or surgical procedures. I will tell the readers how I treat such cases by medicine as per dose of concern, the book of Boric and Tafel, including in Indian writers, books of comparative medical materia medica and practitioner guide by Dr. N.C. Ghosh is very useful. Girls at puberty, when their menses are delayed with headache, wandering pains, chorea, and sometimes chorea and sometimes chorea and epilepsy, there is one remedy indicated in such cases colophyllum in the form of luolin or in marvelous action given in 15 drops or 15 to 20 drops tedious or thrice a day. If a girl who is anemic and she has not the blood to spare, we can add ferrum phos. If the girl complains of cold hands and feet and has a dry hot skin with suppressed menses, they may be regularized by sanguinaria mother tincture 7 to 10 drops at a time, tedious daily. If the menses are delayed, if the menses are delayed by wet feet in a female of mild and gentle disposition will be treated by pulsatilla. If with suppression of menses the patient is extremely restless, skin dry and hot, vagina dry and hot, aconite will remove the disagreeable symptoms. In cases of amenorrhea, if a young girl with aching pain in hips and loins, a feeling of weight and tension in the loins, polygonum punctatum is the remedy. For irregular menses with uterine or cervical leukorrhea that prolapse replaces the menses, we need tincture senecio oriens. It is female regulator. For profuse menstruation, where there is pain extending from back to the pubis and blood is partially clotted and partially fluid, with a discharge of blood and sometimes between period, Sabina is the remedy. If the menses are too frequent, come every 2 weeks and 7 or 8 days with profuse yellowish leukorrhea between the period, trillium pendulum should be administered. In some female, the menses are dark colored with many clots. The menses are long continued, a slow persistent oozing discharge of blood. The os has a soft, spongy and feels as dilated. Astilago is the remedy. Magphos is indicated remedy in the pain in case of dysmenorrhea is cramping pain which are relieved by heat. Neuralgic dysmenorrhea, when the pain is of a gripping, the twisting character made worse by bending forward and lying down, and relieved by standing on the feet and bending backward, diascoria is the medicine. In congestion of the os uteri with abdomen sensitive to external touch, which burning and a stinging pain, a feeling of fullness as if everything is pressing toward the vulva, belladonna is medicine. So, in this way, we treat the menstrual disorder with the help of our indicated medicine. Next is leukorrhea. In leukorrhea, hemamelis 1x 3 grains at a time 6 hourly. In leukorrhea, where discharge is milky, white and non-irritating, Calimure 3x 3 tablets at a time 4 hourly should be given when the uterus feels as if it is being dragged out of the body. With a leukorrhea that comes on every few days, thick and yellowish discharge, sickle core is the remedy. Maybe or other medicines like Calibicrome, Merxol, Borax, Creozote and Ovatosta is also indicated or used according to condition. Next is the prolapse of uterus. Prolapse of uterus is displacement or downward bearing tendency of the uterus from its normal position. When there is dragging sensation in the lower part of the abdomen, the back feels as if it is broken and pain extends to the outer side of the thigh. The patient talks about her womb, is conscious that she has one and it has stored the and it is sore and tender, and there is tendency to melancholic. Helonius dioica is the indicated medicine. This medicine is in mother tincture from 10 drops at a time BD daily for palliation, but higher potency required to cure the permanently. If there is pressure and bearing down sensation as if everything will protrude from the pelvis, she feels as she must sit close and cross her legs to prevent, and there is yellow saddle across the nose and cheeks. Sepia is the remedy. In displacement of the uterus with bearing down feeling, frequent desire to urinate, cannot walk on rough ground, only flows when she moves Medicine is Lilium tea, 5 to 10 doses. So in this way we treat cases of prolapse of uterus in first, second or third grade. In fourth grade, it requires mechanical aid. Sterility may be caused by prolapse of uterus, antiflexion, retroflexion. Study the symptoms of each case carefully and give the indicated remedy. In cases of sterility, we study the female causes as well as male partner causes. So, if causes lies in female, in case of retroversion, if the position of wife and husband are reversed during intercourse, conception is more appropriate to occur pregnancy. In antiflexion, I have known cases where conception has taken place when the parties concerned had intercourse in the standing position. In duration of the cervix uteri is another case of sterility. Conception cannot take place because the ovum slips out the uterus before the fertilization. Aurum mur netronatum 3x, 3 grains 1 hour after meal, soften the induration, increase the strength of 2 or 3 months and conception takes place. Sterility in female with acrid leukorrhea, soreness and abrasion of the os uteri and vaginal canal, their membranous dysmenorrhea, borax is the medicine. As well as borax is used locally. Boric acid on a sponge to which a narrow ribbon is attached. Roll the sponge in the fine powdered and it has been moistened in glycerine. Place the sponge in the vagina and push it up tight against the os uteri and allow it to remain for 24 hours for when it should be removed and a fresh one inserted. In vaginitis, leukorrhea is often abnormal acid condition which is fatal to the life of the spermatozoa, thus preventing the desired conception. We can use moist the sponge with bicarbonate sodium with glycerine 1 ounce and place it into the proper position and allow it to remain in situ until the next morning. Let the removal be followed by intercourse and conception may take place. There may be abnormal irritability of the clitoris causing an excessive secretion of the glands of the cervix. This may lead to masturbation and this may be cause of sterility. So in this way we see maximum disorders of female which treated by homeopathic medicine. Next is breast tumor. In this slide you see a large well demarcated tumor with a lobulated surface is seen in the right breast. So for breast tumor medicine is phytolacca, conium, calcarea floor, iodine is helpful in cases of breast tumor according to indication of symptoms. but pathological finding or examination is required for diagnosis of case. In this way, we treat female disease without surgery with the help of homeopathic medicine. This is my approach towards female disorders which is treated by homeopathic medicine. This video is dedicated to my guru Dr. Indu Shekhar Jha and Dr. S.D. Pandey. Thank you for watching. You give me your valuable suggestions. Like